Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic reactions in solutions. A majority of the reactions in the laboratory are in the form of solutions. In that case, the concentration of the solutions or the amount of substance present in a given volume can be expressed by the following ways. Now, first is mass percentage. What is mass percentage? We can derive it by using this formula. Mass percentage is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. What is solute? Solute is the substance which is present in lesser amount in the solution, that is called a solute. And what is solvent, which is present in more amount. When solute and solvent combines together, they form solution. Understood? In that way, we can easily find the percentage of solute in the given solution. Now, see this example, problem 1.6. Question is given 2 gram of a substance is dissolved in 18 gram of water. 2 gram substance का मतलब 2 gram is a solute. यानी क्या दे रखा है? Solute is given 2 gram. In 18 gram of water, that means solvent is given 18 gram. That means total mass of solution will become how much? It is 20 gram. That is total solution. Now we have to find mass percentage. So what will be the formula? Mass percentage is equal to mass of solute. How much solute? 2 gram. Upon mass of solution, just now we find 20 gram multiplied by 100. In that way, we get 10%. That means 10% of solute is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Understood? Now see the next topic, molarity. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. That is known as molarity. It is denoted by capital M. That means अगर हम number of moles को solute के 1 liter solution के अंदर dissolve कर दें, then it is known as molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute. For by chance we are dissolving 2 moles of NaCl, and after dissolving in water we prepare solution 1 liter. So it is called as molarity. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. It is denoted by capital M. For example, if I am writing 1 m NaCl, that means M denotes molarity. That means 1 mole of NaCl is dissolved in water such that the solution becomes 1 liter. Understood? 1 m NaCl का मतलब sodium is 23 and chlorine is 35.5. That means 58.5 gram of NaCl is dissolved in water such that the solution becomes 1 liter. Understood? Molarity. Now see problem 1.7 related to molarity. Calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution if its 4 gram is dissolved in water to prepare 250 ml solution. I have told you the formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Fine. Now solute क्या है यहाँ पे? NaOH. Fine. And solution कितना है? Volume 250 ml. Now number of moles of solute. Number of moles का मतलब given mass upon molar mass. Given mass of NaOH is given 4 gram. Fine. Upon number of moles, given mass upon molar mass. Molar mass of NaOH. In case of Na, we calculate the molar mass of NaOH. Na is sodium 23, oxygen 16 and hydrogen is 1. That is 40 gram molar mass. 4 gram upon 40. Understood? Upon volume of solution in liter 250 ml है, मिलीलीटर को लीटर में करने के लिए डिवाइड बाय 1000. Fine. Now what will happen? 4 by 40 multiplied by, when you take it, 1000 upon 250. Fine. Now cancel it, and 250 4 by 10, that is 0.4 m. What is the meaning of this? That means 0.4 moles of NaOH is dissolved in water such that the solution becomes 1 liter. In that way we can calculate molarity. Understood? Now see, next is molality. It is denoted by small m. It can be defined as the number of moles of solute that is present in 1 kg of solvent. Understood? Molality is small m is equal to number of moles of solute upon 1 kg of solvent. That means if we are dissolving 1 mole of any solute in 1 kg of solvent, then we can write it as small m, that is 1 m. That means 1 small m of NaCl What is the meaning of this? It means 58.5 gram. ठीक. Now it is number of moles of solute, 1 mole of NaCl. That means 58.5 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 1 kg of solvent. Understood? Now see, next is mole fraction. Mole fraction can be defined as the ratio of moles of a particular substance, a particular component, to the total moles of solution. By chance, a substance A is dissolved in substance B. Fine. So their moles will be Na and Nb. The mole fraction of A can be written as number of moles of A upon total moles of solution. That means Na plus Nb. Similarly, if we have to find the mole fraction of substance B, we can write number of moles of B upon the total moles of the solution. That means number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. In that way, we can easily find the mole fraction of both the substances. Understood?